Hi, I'm Nikki from ADOS Addicted to Fishing. The CRC series is a really simple guide on how to use a wide range of different products. Today I'm going to share with you how to get rid of rust on your trailer. So first you want to grab some CRC Rust converter. This is a unique, fast drying formula that's perfect for rusted surfaces like your trailer here that gets dunked in the ocean quite regularly. All you need to do is, so we've got a thick layer of rust here, you just want to take off the first layer. Now I'm using a wire brush today, but you can also use some sandpaper, and you just want to give it a good scrub. For heavier rust, you would want to soak the rusted element in a rust remover eliminator overnight. To apply, you simply spray on any rusted metal surface to neutralise and convert it to a tough primer in one easy step. So now that's ready for you to paint if you wish, a coat of bright or black zinc, easy as. Don't forget to check out our other videos in the CRC series on our YouTube channel.